Hello everyone, welcome to Trendy Outfits Vibe YouTube channel. So if you are a graceful woman above the age of 15 or 16 and you love to look beautiful, stylish and confident, then you are in the right place. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel because here you will always find the best outfit inspiration especially made for mature and older women. Your support means a lot and it helps us bring more amazing videos for you. Fashion has no age limit. Style is not only for young girls but it is also for women who have passed their 15 or even 16. In fact, the real charm of fashion comes when a mature woman wears it with grace, elegance and confidence. At this stage of life, you know your true self. You are more confident. You know what look good or you and you carry on style with dignity. That is why every outfit we show here is chosen to match the natural beauty of mature women. Let us talk about dresses first. A simple cotton or linen dress in soft pastel shade can look extremely elegant on a woman in her 50s or 60s. These fabrics are like breathable and very comfortable, which makes them perfect for both casual wear and outing. You can pair them with a nice shawl, scarf, or even a light jacket to give a more stylish look. If you prefer something bolder, floral print can add a touch of freshness and charm. If you are someone who likes western wear, do not hesitate. You try trousers skirts. We fitted blouse with a pair of comfortable trousers can be a classy and modern look. Long skirts with soft tops also look beautiful and mature women. The key is to balance comfort with style. Choose fabrics that allow your skin to breathe and colors that brighten your face. Neutral shades like beige, cream, grey or navy blue look elegant, while brighter shades like maroon, green or royal blue can add a rich and confident vibe. Accessories play a very important role. At this age, you do not need you overload yourself with heavy jewelry. A single statement necklace, pair of elegant earrings, or a simple bracelet is enough to complete your look. Even a silk scarf tied around the neck or carried in the hand can add sophistication. Handbags also become an important part of your outfit. A medium size handbag in a classic color not only look stylish but is also very useful. Footwear should always be comfortable. Low heels, flock heels or stylish flats can look both fashionable and easy to walk in. Shoes are not just for walking, they also show your personality. So pick footwear that matches your outfit and keeps you comfortable all day. Makeup for mature women should be natural and soft. You do not need heavy layers of makeup to look beautiful. A little foundation or BB cream, a touch of blush, some kajal or eyeliner, and a natural lipstick shade can do wonders. Remember, beauty is not about hiding your age, it is about impressing with grace. A smiling is always more beautiful than a heavily maked up face. Hair is another important part of your style. Whether you keep your hair short, medium, or long is to keep it healthy and well maintained. Grey hair can look stunning when styled properly. Many women above 50 look very stylish with their natural grey or silver hair. If you like coloring, go for soft brown or burgundy shades. Hairstyles like soft colors are neat burn on a simple layer. Cut can make you look classy and elegant. One thing every mature woman should remember is confidence is the most beautiful outfit you can wear, no matter how expensive or simple your dress is. If